Bro, getting older is wild. Hear me out. When you're 18, the thought of becoming 40 is like, oh my God, I'm old, I'm decrepit, my days are over, they're numbered. It's so far beyond your thought comprehension to be 40. I remember planning to be 40 and I was like, I want to have my kids young because then when they graduate, I'll be like 40. I'll still be young enough. That's what I said. I'll still be young enough to like be able to do stuff. Like, I'm going to be 40 this year. I'm going to be 40. I'm not old. Okay, fuck all y'all if you say I am. I'm not. I don't feel old. I feel like I don't look old. I'm like technically middle-aged, right? I'm middle-aged. That's fucking weird too. But God, like, actually prepares your mind for that. If you jumped from 18 to 40, oh my God, you wouldn't be able to handle it. Like, you would not. But the process of becoming 40, you hit all of these milestones in between, and like, I deserve this. I deserve this now. I love this. I love my age. I love where I'm at. It's like Goldilocks, right? You're not too young. You're not too old. You're just right. You're right in the middle. I don't want to be 20. Fuck that. I don't want to be going through a breakup, single mom in it with no fucking money. Dude, I could buy shit now. You're in life. You got your shit figured out. Hopefully, most of you by now have your shit figured out. Like, it's wild. And what goes on in here, you don't even realize until you hit it. Like, you have no idea how you're going to feel, how wise you're going to be at 30, 40, 50 until you're actually there. And it's wild and it's fun. And I love life. I'm the kind of person who never wanted to take a nap as a kid because I didn't want to miss the day. You know what I mean? And I'm not missing it. And I'm just imagining that, I don't want to be 60 right now. No, I don't want to. I want to live as long as I can. I want to enjoy. And part of me is like, well, what the fuck am I going to do when I'm 60? Am I going to like be bored out of my... No, because that's not who I am. I'm not going to be that bored person. I'm going to have a hobby. I'm going to like knit. I'm going to be at like craft fairs. I'm going to be like in old ladies groups. And now that I'm like almost 40, 60 doesn't seem so old. It's bonkers. My mom is like in her 70s. 80 to me seems old. But I'm sure when I'm 70, 80 won't seem so old. Like, I'm just telling you, like, it's all about the perspective, and enjoy this. And if you're in a moment right now where it's hard for you, right? And you're like, I hate this age. It'll get better. It'll get better. There's hills and valleys, my friends. And just enjoy the ride. Put on some of those roller skate shoes and just coast through the ugly into the pretty parts. I don't know. I'm not really making sense anymore. But anyway, I'm not even going to edit this. I'm not going to edit out anything. You have to hear all of it if you're going to watch it. And that's my call to end. My little thingy's falling off. Okay, I love you. Mwah.